Hey guys, Glimmer Online. Happy Easter. Hope you had a great holiday. It is Monday. What is it? April 13th. Wow. Today's topic is actually how to promote legendary marketer and earn daily. So just going to step back and sort of explain what I've been sort of experimenting with for the last 6 months, I guess. I promote a lot. Oh, if you'd like to learn about making money online, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button. But I want to go through some of the stuff that I'm looking at and why I chose Legendary Marketer to talk about in this video. Because I think it's pretty important, some of the reasons. And stick around to the end and I'll give you a special deal, a super deal. So here's the deal. Um, so I've been trying a whole bunch of different things because, like, if you understand affiliate marketing, it's basically finding a really good program and promoting it and then getting paid for it, right? Like you promote it, you make sales, and you get paid for it. Now, not all programs are created equal. And why do I say that? Because sometimes there's programs that you start promoting, and what happens is actually you feed the machine of a bigger marketer, and then they take that person, like you get the one sale into that program, and then they take that person and they'll spin them into selling them their own products that you don't get paid for. So this happens a lot with ClickBank. It can happen with other big training programs. Like they'll be like, maybe you'll sell a $2,000 training program, but within that training program, that trainer is actually telling people to go get this tool, this tool, this tool. But it's not your affiliate link; it's their affiliate link, right? So you're losing out on all those sort of residual sales. You get paid on the front end for bringing the customer there. But the sad thing is that person is a customer. That person is someone that buys stuff. They're looking for stuff. So you're going to actually give up. You're not going to be in front of that person anymore because you've actually basically sold them, right? For you got paid a commission. So you want to find, what you want to do is you want to find a program that whatever they sell, you get a commission of. So no matter what product within their line of products you get paid for, but also when they refer tools, you want to have a mechanism that you can also get paid for those tools. And that's why I love Legendary. And it's interesting because I actually made a very similar program to this years ago. And it was all around traffic exchanges. And it was basically what people would do is they would come in. I think it was called push button incomes, and it was like $5 a month to belong to it. But what happened is you would put all your basically programs in there, but then you could add at a $5 level or whatever it was. I think it was, I don't remember the pricing, but anyways, you could add your own programs in this back office, so that you would be promoting this front end thing, right? And then everything in it was a commissioned product for that person, right? So and you're going, well, why would someone want to build a program where they don't get to benefit from the back end? Well, they do benefit from the back end because sometimes people will come into the program that come in under someone that doesn't have that other program, right? They don't want to promote it. Like for example, in Legendary, there's three different autoresponders that you can basically promote in it, right? So I think this GetResponse, Aweber, and SendLane, I think was the other one. I only use Aweber. So if someone joined my Legendary team, right, and they already had GetResponse, they would just put in their GetResponse thing. I wouldn't make a commission on that. But if they joined, or maybe they'd say, oh, I want to get GetResponse. Well, they would probably get my upline's GetResponse affiliate link then. Not mine because I don't have a GetResponse affiliate link and I use Aweber. Although I'm starting to think I might change over to GetResponse. That's a whole other can of worms. So, so when you're looking at these programs, right? And just I'm going to be completely transparent with you guys. I promote MLSP, and if you're interested, I'll put a link for that. It's a very good program about attraction marketing, and it's going to be part of my. If you guys want to join Legendary under me, I'll give you a really good offer that you can't refuse. Um, so basically, I promote MLSP, I promote Legendary. I promote another program that's just coming online called, it's going to be called GrooveCart. That's going to be another basically funnel builder. And I've got some other funnel builders that I will be using as well, because sometimes people just hate ClickFunnels. Although if you're going to, so here's, some people think, oh well, ClickFunnels is overpriced and you don't really need it. Well, you don't really need it. But if you want to maximize what the money that you can make within a program, I highly recommend having it. Why do you think all the top marketers have all these tools that are residual based tools? You go look at almost every big marketer's platform that they built on, they will have ClickFunnels somewhere in there, whether it's a ClickFunnels going to their WordPress education affiliate program, or maybe they're using the ClickFunnels program. They use it because it's a great tool. It's a recurring tool, right? It's really easy to share campaigns in it. It's really easy to share funnels in it. It's a very simple tool to use, and it's sticky because once someone starts using it, because once they start making these funnels, they're not going to give it up. They're not going to give up the tool. It's just going to be, it'll be like car insurance. You pay for that every year because that's what you need. So when you're looking for these affiliate programs, you want to find something that you're able to put your affiliate links into, and that's why I love Legendary. I also like Legendaries because I was actually in Empower Network, and Empower Network crashed and burned, and I actually got out long before it started to crash and burn because I just saw that it wasn't providing it wasn't providing the tools that I thought were really important. And also that's why David Sharp left, I believe, way before they went belly up, because he had integrity, right? He wanted to promote something that had a bit better quality. I think there was quality at the beginning, but as it started to grow, it just kind of got ridiculous. So those are some of the reasons I think that you can promote Legendary. Now, how do you how do you actually make money promoting Legendary? It's really easy, guys. Use my blog resource and set up a blog, and you want to write a review on Legendary Marketer, and then what you want to do is you want to continue writing reviews. And I know you're going, oh, I don't want to write reviews. Going, well, it's tough beans. You got to write reviews. Write reviews. Build up your blog, because when people find your blog, and at the end of each blog post, just like I do, say my #1 recommended business, and you put your Legendary link right there. Like, that's it. You need to be driving traffic from Twitter to that blog all the time. Not necessarily Facebook, because Facebook is hit and miss, and you don't want to get your blog banned on Facebook. So you don't want to be like pumping out your blog address all the time on Facebook. You'll get blocked. And so you don't want to be doing that. So you can do it very, very gently. Create a page. But I would actually point to stuff like YouTube or to a Twitter post, right? Rather than to your blog, but then your YouTube and your Twitter post would have your blog address in it. The other way to make money daily is start building your YouTube channel. Like, you really, really, really need to start building up your channel. It's just reality. Sorry. Thirsty. It was a salty turkey. No. And what do you do on YouTube? Same thing. Go find something, learn about something, and create a video. Now, you don't have to be in front of the camera. You can do it from behind the camera. You can make slideshows, whatever it is. But guys, you're going to have to learn some kind of skill that is going to be generating content, because content is king. If you know of a guy named Miles Beckler, he's an amazing affiliate. He's one of the guys that doesn't like ClickFunnels, because I think he put a bunch of people into ClickFunnels and he didn't get paid right. But he promotes another funnel tool, which I also use. So he did a case study on a blog, and he wanted this blog to make a certain amount of money. And it took him 10 months to get the blog up to making $3,000 every single month. And I think it's been past 10 months now. And it's now making, I think the last one I watched was $3,700 a month. Currently, it's making. Why is it making that? Because he was putting up, I think they were putting up 3 pieces of content a week, well-written content I don't know what the blog's about. I really don't. I don't think he discloses what the blog is actually about. So he doesn't give the address of the blog. He just gives you all the details. So he was creating 3 pieces of content for that blog every single week. So it took 91 pieces of content, and he basically just kicked butt. And now I think he said he's going to scale it back to 1 piece a week, because Google wants to be looking at, when you become an authority site in a niche, Google wants to be looking for stuff. So will you become an authority site in reviews? No, but if you continue to create content, and this is another reason that I were involved in a lot of the other sort of the agency stuff, although we're scaling back because this economy is not working for that, and we're really just gonna focus on product reviews and stuff. So if we continue to create product reviews over and over and over and over and over, right? Like this is our plan. We're just gonna keep creating product reviews. If you do want some agency stuff done, message us. But we're being very selective because right now there's just, we're in turmoil. And what can we focus on right now is actually products that are coming out, like training products, more like WordPress plugin products, these kind of things. But so you're going, well, what now? You're talking about products, Glenn. Why do I have to do that? Well, you go and you review these products because the end of the blog, you want to recommend Legendary. So this is what's crazy. And people don't get this. They're like, well, but I'm talking about this. It doesn't matter what you're talking about in the program, in the blog. The blog is going to be information for someone. At the bottom is your call to action, where you say, and by the way, my number one recommended, and you can do it whatever way. Yes, this is a great tool for doing X, Y, Z, but my number one recommended program to make money online is this. And then you would put your Legendary link. Guys, this works. It works. Click the link below this video. It works. Now, here's the special I'm going to give you, because I'm going to wrap up this video now. If you choose to join Legendary through my link below, I have a huge bonus for you where you're going to get, I think it's 10 different training programs, totally free. I've set you up with your own little membership site, and this is worth, it's worth about $3,000 worth of training. I'm going to give to you free, and it's not bunk crap PLR stuff. It's real hands-on current training that you can use. The methods in these trainings have all earned the people that created these trainings hundreds of thousands of dollars. So this isn't just theory, it's actual stuff that these guys do, exactly what you don't do. So what you want to do is you want to click the Legendary, the link below, my recommended business below. You want to join there, take the $7 challenge, right? Go through it, become an affiliate, and start building your own Legendary marketing empire. And you can make money daily. You just have to be consistent. Now, what is being consistent? Get up in the morning, post on go back to some of the videos here about free traffic. Go post, get your free traffic out there. Make sure you're doing your content on your blog, and then make sure you're blasting that out to Twitter, right? And then come back and do some research. What are you going to talk about in your YouTube video? Create some content on your YouTube, then blast that out to your social media platforms. That's it, guys. Daily. There's no secret. There's no magic button. There's no nothing. It's just pure grinding out content. That's what it is, guys. It's just grinding out content. The more content you create, the more reach you get, the more people trust you. Why do you think my channel is now at 500 subscribers? Because I've been grinding it out almost every day, creating a video, creating another video, slowly building up the subscribers. Is it daunting? Is it? Yeah, it is. Is it tiresome? Yeah. Do you miss some days? Yeah, I try not to, but sometimes I miss days, right? But this is what it takes. And I'm going to continue through to 5,000 subscribers, and I'm going to continue through to 50,000 subscribers. I don't care. This is where I'm going. This is where I'm taking it, right? I'm not stopping, and I won't stop. And what happens is, and I see it, my blog continues to grow in traffic, right? My Twitter account continues to grow in following. My Facebook is maxed out. and my YouTube continues to grow. And that's what you need to do every single day. And if you don't know what to write about, go look at it. Go look at ClickBank. Go review a ClickBank product, man. Like there's 10,000 of them. They're all free. Go review like Ted's Woodworking. Hey, I want to talk about Ted's Woodworking. Blah 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 blah. You write everything about it, and then at the end of it, just say, if you're interested in woodworking plans, here's a link, your free ClickBank link. And by the way, my number one recommend if you're interested in making money from home, my number one recommended program is this. And you just put it in there. You put it out there. Or in the review itself, there's nothing stopping you from putting your own ads. If you go to some of my blogs, reviews.fnanetwork.ca, work with Glenn Murray, you'll see that in my blogs themselves, you'll see, like, I'll put in a bold, right? Like, do you like sales funnels? Click here. Want to learn how to make money online? Click here. Do you want to learn how to do YouTube? Most of it, some of it is ClickBank products. Some of it is lead capture for my lead lists, and a lot of it goes right to Legendary, right? Actually, I use a secondary funnel too that promotes ClickBank or Clickfunnels as well. So I have two main programs that drive people into Clickfunnels. That's what it's at, guys. So you can earn daily from Legendary by creating content. And that's what it is. Content is king. You're not going to be successful until you start creating content and creating a lot of content. And you have to make sure that you're talking to your audience. You're not all over the board, right? Talk to your audience. Why, when you go, well, Glenn, you just said to review a bunch of different ClickBank products. Well, then create a sort of a catch-all blog. Like mine is reviews. Just that I review awesome products, right? So I'm not tied into any certain thing. I just review awesome products, and I have them categorized. So you can go on, you can search by category, and go like that, right? It's just a review of a whole bunch of things, and it works, right? And so you can do that as well, or you can niche out. You can be like as specific as you want. I only talk about hunting knives, and that's it. You talk about survival stuff, and you sell survival stuff from Amazon. And by the way, my favorite business to earn online, wherever I am, even when I'm surviving out in the woods, is Legendary Marketer, right? Like, guys, there's a million ways to it. Hey, this is how you set up a tent. And by the way, why I have the luxury of being able to do this is because I make money online using Legendary Marketer. Like, you can do it any way you want. Anyways, I'm going to jump off. So make sure, if you want to take me up on my bonuses, 10 training programs, $3,000 value, click the link below, get started, jump in, come and be an affiliate with me. If you need any help at all, I can help you out. Just message me, and I'll be there to help you out. But you got to be ready to do the work. All right, guys, take care, and thank you. I don't know who my number 500 subscriber was, but I'm totally stoked. I'll see you at 1,000. Bye.